how to log in after creating an account with CTBC Bank. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is decide whether if you will be doing this via your phone or your laptop or PC. Now, on my end, I'm currently demonstrating this using my laptop, and then just simply just pull up your preferred web browser. And right now, I'm currently using Google Chrome. Now just head directly to ctbcbank.com.ph, and this is going to be their official website. Now what you want to do here is just hover your mouse on the Easy Start Online Account application and then click on Deposit and Cash Card. Now in here, just choose on Open an account and then choose whether if it's going to be a deposit or a cash card that you will be creating. So say for example, you will be creating a deposit card, then just choose or click on Apply Now. Now you will be redirected to another page in which if it is going to be a savings account or a peso savings passbook account. Now say for example, it's going to be for ATM base. Just choose on Select, and on the next page, you will be asked to input the credentials needed for customer declaration, terms and conditions, and privacy. So just simply choose on necessary options here based on your preference. So if you are a Philippine resident, just simply choose yes or no, and so on and so forth. So once you have fully created an account, you want to go back to the home page, and in here just choose on sign on to if it's going to be an eGov or net banking. So from here, just choose on net banking and choose on corporate. So after creating an account here, just choose or input the login credentials that you have set up upon creating the account. And that's it. That's how you logged in after creating an account with CTBC Bank.